My job is to make sure our projects are innovative, functional, and also beautiful. Generative design is a part of that process. Generative design is a collaboration between the machine learning and then human design. I start out by brainstorming an idea, and then I move into Fusion 360 and then see if my idea is really working. After the concept is proven, I move into making a beautiful design. When I was a student, I was working for Autodesk and Volkswagen on a really cool project. We use generative design to create an innovative new wheel that matches modern standard, while also fulfilling the classic VW style. In traditional show car project, it usually take about 6 months production time or even longer because there's a lot of going back and forth with the designer and engineers and also manufacturers. By using generative design, the whole production time was 2 months instead of 6 months. Also, we were able to reduce 16% lighter from the traditional wheel. Hyundai was really interested in generative design, this new technology that helped me to open the door for this new career. It's amazing that I just graduated and I'm already working with professionals who have been doing design for many years. What I learned in school was already valuable for my career. Generative design got me into this career before I even graduated. As technologies and manufacturers are growing, it requires a new skill set, a new person to work with a new tool. I am an example of this new workforce.